Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle.
FM. It's Rainbow Radio live on DAB across London and on DAB Plus, and also in Milton Keynes and Manchester. We are live on the Facebook, that's Rainbow Radio UK, and also on your apps. You can get it from the Apple Store or the Play Store or the iOS. This morning we are blessed with the presence of a legal luminary from BWF Solicitors. And so without wasting any more of your time, let's go straight and speak to our legal expert. Uncle Ben, good morning.
Oh, good morning, Dr. Mark. Nice to say.
Yami Adom.
Otemen kan here.
Betonka pa. Na also Otemen.
Adom metonka pa.
Edi Yami ase. Eti for they are going to be because and the Ensaka, the grandpapa himself. I call him the grandpapa because from this gentleman's office, many lawyers have been groomed, trained, and released onto us, and they have also gone to train others. So you know what I'm talking about. He is the grandfather of family law, put it that way. Uncle Ben, my father can't me and father baby into Pacho, my enche Jimmy Nase. So what update be the Maya Pacho. Which man started?
Dr. Mark, I'm say anopay dear Sana Munina Munimno. Yeshia, first of all, yada wawase and wapam for yada Tradiam Ponyamiase and wana ene wabeka ya ho ama yebeye program munina ya domase sana ya bompa se domunti ye nyina ya ho ye ama nyame ehira ye nyina ya chase a pese neme bi wo ya pese ya fakakra nti mote be few months ni abana ka se opese osesa indefinite leave, from 5 years to 10 years. Na ebasa no, ma yehu se ombeye, maybe you want to honor obi wo challenge bia. Na my nti bi be a petition. na petition no mu bi no say minister your friend Alex Norris no or the final decision number na final decision no or can September ya na almost omugusu tie petition your friend e-petition no na mmom aban no deɛ it looks like person or go ahead with sir yeah extended indefinitely from 5 years to 10 years. Isu sanso ben adeba. First of all, you himself will apply for residency. I was so what say what and a half 5 years. Say a 10 years. Now say more year 2.5 years. Now say instance of being twice. Be more than 10-year route, almost 4 times. But most people know 5 years. 5 years now a 10 years and I say also could 4 times. Plus the final application. Say if and fees, which is about 3,857.50 times 4 plus settlement fee, which is now about 2,028. What they count now on one person, or you potentially almost about 16,000 for settlement or nationality by nationality 1,638. More you 2, 3, 4, 5 now it blows out because then it becomes very, very expensive. The other problem I want to say, indefinite leave. Emma ultimately never be brave. Sabe opesa ope aban edan bia ultimately council accommodation. We have support with council support in relation to say welfare benefit. Ultimately sa benefit no. Ultimately universal credit child benefit. PIP, personal independent payment, disability living allowance, because restriction be annual. Yes, I'm part so 2.5 years. Sometimes I'm betting recourse in a free so. But say I'm more stretching it to 10 years. I cause a lot of problems because microphone brain no gina so because of our partners. Now as a partner, no you abusive, but now when himself for 10 years there was so gina so. Now just a time I would switch a problem. Although say you say about domestic violence, and you'll be a person go that route. Entire issue a hard but above all, e-petition to keep 5 years indefinite See, I have 100,000, but Mr. Ramo say obia or person or yesho sa DMA ko e-petition website Sa e-petition website adeɛ bi a sɛbe ɛboa ama yɛn nyinaa ekipu yɛn sɛ mo a mowɔ ɛna mɛhwɛ sisi yɛwɔ 108,000 yɛndu baabiara potentially nke osi enya a couple of millions, which means that you're taking it seriously. Na petition no person sign www.petitions.parliament.uk/petitions/727356. And now we are on parliament petition for indefinite leave to remain. Click here, no sign. Other problems almost the same English, from B1 to B2. And also there a handcroft. Ɛwɔ B1 kora nkrɔfo bebree ntimi pass it and also ɔmo nya attempt mpo because ɔmo nim sɛ ɔmo ntimi mpass it. Enti advice a mede bɛma obiara ne sɛ yɛnkɔ so ne yɛnkɔ boa yɛnkɔhwɛ because minister no deɛ Alex Norris no waka kyerɛ MP sɛ ɔmbɛyɛ debate wɔ parliament deɛ but aban ne sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ so na ɔyɛ. The other one a mepɛ sɛ mede ba ɛyɛ on a skilled worker visa. I'm saying my video at the moment in our TikTok, before the weekend, you share. But so on a skilled worker visa, now won't quite juma. And our juma run on long hours or hours now on workers of the mouth. And I say, but if you are na yam frail, Mr. Home Office astati twa mo visa ni. Either say omo ehu ana say o employer na report to. The urban is employer no your friend be a friend remote compliance audit. Say home office was suspicion and our sponsor no call CM or COS. Home office no found at the compliance audit. Into a remote into no bisa questions. Now what the answers no kwa because a lot of the sponsors no enyo mo dwuma yie no. Omo the answers no kope home office hu se nkrofo wo ho a omo mma adwuma ana se yentua omo ka se na wasi tua omo ka no. Esa na akoye in-person compliance audit. Eno na edi twam no na ya ge license no. But the year who say because sponsors no ya aware say omo ye in breach of the law. Omo a report mo. Na o report wa men feel say wa report wa ha wonte hwenti no ano no dabi. In the last few months na ye ko eboa ye community no. Last one I ko en run a decision about a very successful decision. Crash bia ne employer no a report no say on ma adwuma. Nanso nya no no nkwa adwuma. Sponsor no ka kire ne say oni adwuma. Enti sponsor no under investigation. Enti onim so mbeba ho no ma bebisa rota, scheduling, pay slips, RTI, P60s, P45s, bank statement. I be sure say nipa we oba adwuma na on ma adwuma no. Ono a report ama omutwa crash na sitting on na yere with immediate effect. Yeah, you winning my ya restore. I will say I could share, but men redactor no me say before a baby program betimi a share. And ma in cranche say we are very proactive. Utimi winning. You winning man because omo ka chen so free anko. At the moment no you winning in the sense notification on the man and na defective under the notices regulation and after immigration act nankasa no na notice no defective until you challenge you challenge bebree because that is what is happening in the community until advice ya dem obi an say one owa ha ye sponsor unko adwuma da tutu so ye ba betwa wasetena nim two owa ha wakɔ sponsor sɛ o menni adwuma yet na ye training ɔse kɔtɔ kaa wakɔtɔ kaa onye adwuma mma wo tutu so yɛba betwa wasetena no ɔwɔ ha sponsor ɔfa wo no ɔse mɛma wo 38 hours mɛma wo 40 hours ɔde ma wo nyina week bi yɛ 10 ebi yɛ 15 20 10 15 tutu so yɛba betwa wasetena no mesrɛ mo advice a yɛde ma because of trends a yɛhu. Because normally you can be is based on the trends. Trend ne say ye trauma sitting. Na as at July no August na omo do May. Ti mo a ye report omo by May omo trauma sitting as at August. Mo a ye report omo by June omo trauma sitting by up to September. Into unsan kan wo dia men ka say oh there be the uncle be kan dia enye ndu mi so nti obia entutu so wonim se wo nkwa adwuma na okọ TikTok Bernard Wiseman Solicitor UK ewo ho makatwi ya English nso ya beba out the problem is a issue eto ahweni ho a obetimi aye be a post to wo TikTok ye hu se bisa questions na okay me na me ne employer na ye arrangement dodo na endi arrangement no so ti mesra mo muntutu so na mo mpa bibi nye ti Dr. Mark update wo ho ya de bebe but say question bi wo ho obetimi de aba nti sa e be move on to another topic.
Oh, yeah, that's a baby, Uncle Ben. Update here, a more ram cacao, or more. I didn't pan by no money, mamma, or no. Almost said Chomo a reporting Nimpana, or my Joe Musica, Joma Bana, or Montimim Wamono, just so that they will save their ass.
Dr. Mark, sa penalty.
Oh,
sa penalty.
And then I include for Bimutu, sir.
The sad situation is omo de oba oma culture aban ansa na omo de oba no say na ne wusu me de wo ne obey a week bia me ma no 37.5 hours Metiano skase. Watro or the call aban so where me de se wo de obi ba na wa beboa aye ka adwuma ahwe ye mre wa ne ye nkokra. Entifa no bra or the naba anaso wo kromo a waje no. Ukọ ya o se mini adwuma ma wo. Nhihye a ono ne ye nyina omundi so. Na because say ono aka kira aban so be ma 37.5 a all mouse hours ontua oka onye hwe no. Aban hu a oje ne license ni free nisi. Enti se ono kope COS no asan fa nkrofo mo a aban ene obebisa fa urota bra fa proof bra se omo wo files no utua omoka of course ode waba untua oka enti oni bibi ode beko ohun sa pepe say eh no a report to say oh there be na wusu na me de no buy no me de no buy kra adwuma no ma enti munji na setena no no we twa o COS nim o twa ya home office e be twa o say twa office nim ebi wo me ma 60 days ebi wo ma 60 days na eno na ye protecting crofo no I mean we've been very successful. There are a few ones are challenging because oma mbantem but even with that no kra ebi wo aye court akoye judicial review but advice e de ma obi a na say sponsor no e wo power say obi twa wasetena nim hwi ni wa betimi aye ukọ report no say waji usika obi amfa ho obi anya hwe daachi bi ana mbeye sa investigation ne dia yinim ba for ene dia onya report o na wo kokasa onya no kra ono no ma medwuma na hye sa dia wo ka no oboa no but advice amedema sponsors no so say monye very careful because advice aya mesoma started ma yekromfo no say why adwuma ma obi for at least 2 years na oyiw say oyiw edi na wamfa due processor obetimi asiu no for unlawful dismissal usiu na ubenya compensation idea normally I don't like saying it because men person we be very protracted our community no. But what I also find is say we a sponsor na wo na wo de nipa na ba na wonya adwuma ma na I was say okacha ni say kwaku ebi amema 2 months and 3 months kopa adwuma nya sa meyi wudi afri me de no so at least no 1 month at time some kopa adwuma now the 1 month at time because some mobile be investigation ti pill no a report no na etwem ono se de na yire ne ma na aba ana se me kan watonton na japade wo Ghana ana waba krofo bebre wo ha o matonton mo japade you know they've spent several thousands of pounds and the etua ne fair ne nema application fee solicitors fee and the aba ti obedu na adwuma no wo a wo ma ne bi wo so a kakra na nka okotimi wia na hokoye wo baabi no wo ma ya gina setena no ti sa de no kra sesi a ontimi nye na eno entwa yi cause a lot of problems for community but in America no why adwuma ma obi for 2 years or more na oye wo sa obetimi de na ko employment tribunal no assume
Comment enti so bi wo ho na sabre onye sure of the stand whether say you report on us you be reporting again obetumi aye to preempt this situation obetumi be hu BWF Solicitors straight away na mo put something in motion
enti markers medema say we yes ad na bia tutuso no markers ne very simple o wa ha obi na do bai nipa no unko na dwuma mu da kai hu say ye ba beje wasetena so that's the first thing o wa ha obi na do bai nipa no nta so be ma 37.5 no o ma we 20 hours wa ma sa for 1 year 2 years progress be any kai hu say ye ba beje wasetena the other people are omo nso omo ye issue ono nso ye raise your dependents we are dependent o agent bi no do wakoto obi krata so nipa no wunim no wunim ne din wunim ne kala so ye kokko se ne tiso se ne hwene so na so so wunhu no da o bai onko hwehwe no esraw mema na nya o de se wewura mu ye de wato obi so wunim nipa no ba wo de wo da so te ha wonya hweye no ansa wo te ha ebi a wo te Milton Keynes nipa no se bi o te Belfast ana asa o te Birmingham Manchester wunim ni ba bia tutu so enti Dr. Mark Marcus Amediama, unkwa adwuma, ana unkofu hours. 2. Woyɛ dependent, woni mu dependent, woni baabi ɔwɔ, woni ne ndi nkɔmɔ nyawe. Saa nkurɔfo wei nyinaa, yɛgye mu nyinaa mo asetena no. Enti mu ntutu so. Ntutu so no sɛ wobɛ switch. Sɛ wowɔ time a, wotumi switch. Ma wei nyɛ very clear. In the last few weeks, and I'm getting a bit frustrated with yenye due diligence. Nkurɔfo bi akɔ hake bi mu COS portal no. Ama ɔmo agyegye nkurɔfo sika. Na nsɛ anka obi de bi yɛ obi a menimu no. Ɔsɛ obetua £10,000. Na ɔpɛ no cash. Ɔka saa na meka kyerɛ no sɛ hangi call no na ɔka kyerɛ no sɛ ɔmfa n'asɛm nso ɔnkɔ. Ɔsɛ ɔpɛ cash. Initially ɔbɛgye 2,000. Ɔde COS no ɛba ansa na ɔde bɛhyɛ wo nsa no na wɔde 8,000 aka ho. Mesrɛ mo sɛ ɛnyɛ company no na ɔde COS no ma wo na ɛyɛ obi a ɔfa obi so wei no ɔse ɔno nim obi ana nipa no nso nim obi ana nipa no nim business owner na mmom cash nko ara na ɔgye mɛmfa wasɛm nkɔ hɔ nnura ya email aba sɛ application na yɛn ama nipa no COS no ɔde baa no home office yɛ fake enti ɔmama no 28 days sɛ ɔnyia no deɛ nti yɛ fake nipa no nso yɛka kyerɛ ɔse lawyer agent bi na ɔde maa me ana m sɛ na agent na ɔde maa no business na nkasa wafrɛ ɔmo ɔse lawyer wakan me bɛfrɛ ɔmo ɔfrɛ ɔmo call na nkɔ ɔsɛne email no bounce back address a wɔwɔ no drive kɔ hɔ ɔkɔɛ no address biara ni hɔ saa but business no wɔ online enti me na ya me check business no wobɛhu business no online wobɛhu sampa ɔmo wɔ sponsorship license but ɔmo create COS no details no ɔmo de share so no ɛyɛ totally different enti ɔmo issue fake COS wonim adeɛ yɛ Dr. Mark wono nyɛ wo fault o but sɛbɛ wanyɛ due diligence home office advise decision ɔmo de brɛ guy baako anoro frɛ me no ɔmo sɛ well because we use fake documents no application bi a wobɛyɛ biara no yɛbɛ refuse for the next 10 years Dr. Mark wahu
oh no
no na ɛha me sɛ obi mu ahyɛ ɔmo ho sɛbɛ me deɛ wontumi mfa ndi me ana me nim obi a wontumi mfa ndi no because nyame ma yɛ nyinaa nyansa ade a mepɛ sɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛ ne sɛ nyansa na nyame de maa yɛ no moma yɛn use sɛ wo ne obi yɛ biribi na ɔsi tua cash ama hu sɛ problem wɔ hɔ tutu so na pɛ baabi fa because kurom a yɛnyɛ cash deɛ mete sɛ obi sɛ na mekotua cash na wokotua cash sɛn ɔse ɔmpɛ adɛn na ɔmpɛ sɛ wobɛyɛ bank transfer anaa wɔde card koraa bɛtua adɛn na ɔmpɛ anaa wode sika no koraa bɛba akɔgu ne bank account mu adɛn na ɔmpɛ it means sɛ problem wɔ nti wo ne obi yɛ biribi ne sika no ɛwɔ mu no dɔɔso na ɔstarte yɛ sɛ cash a mesrɛ wo ma no mfa ne COS ma no mfa because problem wɔ hɔ Dr. Mark, a serious issue. But as far as you're concerned, you better educate, you better inform, you better direct, you better highlight. But at the same time, ponkwa kunsiano. Ono no also numusi no ntimi force no son no. Enti wo ka no ntia because they can na obi abetena manim handa makacha za de oyeba no nye. 2 weeks later, friend say obi agye 15,000 oni ne kun.
Oh no.
To me, fan court. Dr. Mark, you can't see me
yeah, that's it. And therefore, I told you from the onset, me catch up with Frashes and said, this is the grandpapa of family and immigration law. He is the godfather. Okasa uhunsun, you know, Sebi. And there's a way yamwa, Menjid is a way yamwa baby abio. And if Fubino soon Fubi, no conscious Uncle Ben. Ankasa our live and there our live on Rainbow Radio UK Facebook or live on 92.4 FM wherever you are across the M25 and also on DAB also in Milton Keynes and Manchester. Uncle Ben is also on our apps across UK and beyond. We're also live on Alexa at the moment. So this is the principal partner of BWF Solicitors. And then BWF Solicitors, I'm a 4th floor, Anna House. About 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London N15 4NP. And since our person or customer address no. Answer the baby program no. Me do my telephone number, any Uncle Ben telephone number, any BBA betu ja amount. Na the okay, say he has a papa because obi aju sika. No one to me am wow. No way no on no mama sa kan wa gum. Se ne be on no be fa no ho di trotro. But Uncle Ben say there is a way, there is hope. To no, to my understanding, go and see them for help. Don't do roadside consultation, what we call them KJT advice. No, don't go and seek for it. And could be so down for be, and could be so be a bahache, and could be so be a what dream say on him. Could be said near nim say on him. Make dream say on him, and I mean nim say on him are two different things. Let's go to the real man. Let's go to the real source, the one who knows. Uncle Ben is one of the few lawyers in this country you're qualified to practice in Ghana all the way to the Supreme Court of Ghana, and then in the UK all the way to the Supreme Court of the UK. And see, Senka, are you ready? Or the Abrocha Ghana or the Ghana Kwa Abroche or Bofa Dadefa. So wherever you take him to, see you should Ghana and run the car. You can't beat him. Say you see UK Mbranso, you can't beat him. In fact, minim say UK Mbrano, Somokwa Kopim, FI Ghana Mbrawa, Uncle Ben is one of the few people they consult for clarification. So this is the man that we have to ourselves. Let's make good and full use of him at this time that we have him. A word to the wise. You know it. Uncle Ben, now, if you don't mind, I want to announce the phone lines whilst you give us the main topic for today so that we will combine the two. Or you want to finish before we open the phone lines?
But you'll be phone lines now.
Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your moment. This is your opportunity. 0208 226 0484. 0208 226 0484. And then the WhatsApp line or the mobile phone line is 0777 1950 989. 0777 1950 989. Shannon so saying yeah dear Uncle Ben can want to pen a bit to me bisa. Bibia how I can embrace them, especially family and immigration law. Family law may patch BBT said. Divorce and matrimonial issues, financial issues, domestic violence, injunctions, child care, and what have you. Immigration, yeah, I mean, be immigration, family law, and even litigation, and Ghanaian law and practice. Fred, Cecilia, now Uncle Ben, wow, for free on Josh. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
We would say you were room Uncle Bennett, you see Pacho Mananko.
Yo. Media kakra me wanna say me chia medica chiano and then my first time and I may help the program no. Niedi kai enu ne say me ni obi ba kurum hanumo. Me na me men applicant. By 2003. Me hu no me ne nyina na fa plan edu kurum ha no ana me hu no just twice up to date me hu no bio na me pese me bisa se ni pa no se sisia na se me pese me gu sa ware na me wo akonya wo hono mo se metimi approach no ama na etimi egu sa ware na ama me ana. And only name person me bisa.
Uncle Ben, Patrot and come.
Dr. Mark, one more situation now may highlight you. We're a classic situation of Wasatana Yababi classic. Because Nippon on a buy and a year no only maybe or so on a full plane by. Since you name sort of Timbuktu and I sort of here, nobody knows. So, person go arena, but the best thing is a good Ghana. Okay, fairly straightforward. We be here copy of a marriage certificate. Now I instructed lawyer or Ghana. Ombeyama, a quick, within a couple of weeks, Ombeye Amal clearly because the entire advices are no. First of all, it takes 6 months. 2, so winning baby or what, a bit delay even further, a bit add about another 3 months because I was here a special application. So no, because I was petition for divorce. I was a woman email address and a physical address and a residential address. So we need baby or what it causes a problem. And I don't know so what they call no one sign and also delay no. And internet may advise say Monya no Ghana. Ya show Ghana divorce no selected. The real one and yet the fake one. Ya show intimacy Monya or Ghana, but for lawyer or Ghana non yama. It's better, it's quicker, it's efficient. Is value for money. Why you no you know na tutu so. Dr. Mark Beka, you can tutu so.
Tutu so, Burma, and then watch where you tutu so. Tutu so it means you are heading towards Seven Sisters, and I'll give you the address later. And so the kind Ghana dear no one say ukuta a divorce no. Certificate no second we are afi memo address no what to so akọ na afi ya finalize bibia na wa fa ho adi why yeah for the next caller. Hello. Good morning.
Morning, doctor.
Uncle Bennett you.
Doctor, uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
Doctor, tell me perfect one day. You will make back of her a prayer. Ghana by many people if you're a man in justice, obey the meaning. The thing is, I'm to say, if you obey how many years and some of the versus passport.
But also Obanokuta indefinite.
Yeah, or the injustice is done and by.
Where the age ya
September 19th, yes, 60 years.
The age when you 2 years.
I say 16 and I'm a
16. Okay, now
15 1-5.
Okay. Yes. Now what was it then?
Mema was it Sunday then lawyer person.
I mean British passport.
And yes, when you're 2 years or how bet me I because we're British. Why? Ne mama way.
Lawyer say na mama wo he.
No man know Ghana because when Kwan confirm you see show is from BBC.
Yes, obet me I am British man. What na had 2 years until obet me I am man. Why?
Okay.
Form a friend of form MN1 and now be fairly. Why?
Okay, hello. Good morning.
Dr.
Good morning. Lawyer.
Morning, Doctor.
Lawyer Uncle Ben, the grandpapa, is listening.
The grandpapa.
Yes.
Good morning, Sir Bernard.
Good morning.
So, wow, back with you and to Bam, like I say.
Coffee, like you say.
Bogo. But I be a meet here now, my nipa ya obaya for long time ya well the partner ya waira or then who can worry. Na okoye divorce no na ebi odi application. Na say ebi ni nipa ya waira ya or then who can worry. Ono so akoye divorce the akotufikasi mu application go for. Na ono so koye na ono so the akotufikasi mu. Me pa chode na ebesi na ye be ne dan after no.
Not sure say we jai we so jai we.
That's a double coincidence of divorce.
I don't know the issue, but this is what it is. There's nothing wrong, sir. We jame abia 2 months ago. Na menya we na mesoma ko jao. The same thing can happen in the UK. Enti se me ye divorce with UK. Yemfa say ewo Elford County Court. Na me jao a. Also unya we na wo ko file wo Barking County Court and our family court say. Na wo su jao me a court no be ma court because court no almost system no nya link ne such a way say ombe hu say we are divorce that. Sa na Ghana tie. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. The only thing I'm the BIA can say, you're sure say in that case, no, the order kono are genuine. So ube who say divorce certificate is genuine now. First of all, check a marks na e wo ho. 2. If you Ghana ba e was set foreign affairs letter aka ho. 3. E was set judicial service letter aka ho. Once when you say nneɛma no na wonim say wo divorce no ɛyɛ valid because document bi a ɛfi UK akɔ Ghana yɛ authenticate no saa na Ghana document free hɔ ba Ministers of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration ɔmo na ɔmo yɛ body na ɔmo authenticate no enti sɛ yɛ fake a ɔmo on authenticate nti sɛ ɔmo ayɛ authentication na kyerɛ sɛ yɛ genuine. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. And you no Jan or June, or no Suja January. Unya aware because one servo, or no so nyawe because also servo. Who you sue dear, because without a divorce, no, won't mean switching family. Or also without a divorce, or no soon to me, to no acquire dear now walk out dear. Ideally, and yet ideal situation, but and yet idea about how so.
And there will be no repercussions at all.
Absolutely not, because once a year genuinely issued, there's nothing wrong with it.
Okay. Yeah, man, say no wrong.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. Uncle Ben, follow up to that one. Sir Koba said, Obi person avoid the probability of having not a genuine, on a genuine divorce. Obi to approach BWF na mabuano, why the genuine one nana.
Dr. Mark, problem you work with Sanya no time. Enti ubehwe a yempese bibia ye documents every Ghana no ebefa BWF so. Because one hwe here nkrofo over 1,000 plus a year ye omo adwuma no. Obia de na BWF the free ba. Very suspicious and it opens you up for all sorts of allegation by the Home Office. By the time I'm just so we you be say no kra no mo ni ma. Enti me no meti actually koye bra na me check ma because the bia me can say your friend be your friend a second opinion. Even no call doctor or no can be no when anje ho which be call another doctor. Sa na wo divorce no ba na enye papa me mehwe ma ka akiro. Na mo na wo say lawyer no koye ma na lawyer no call na bibi to chi ho a. Why you no the tipex afa so the pen akiro.
Which we know BWF will never do that.
That's
thanks for the clarification. Yeah, that's it. Hello. Hello. At saying. Yeah, dear me, I see Jay, Mamma, now line on so that and sound clear, Papa.
I'm sorry, me will feel to know one letter.
To say they're good. And Jamabia would Jano, don't move. No, you didn't come. Uncle Ben to you, Pachamanenko.
Uncle Ben Pacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, me Pacho, the kind, the question person beside me back home through spousal visa when it's a 5-year route. Yeah, no, me second tier 5 years. No, that's January next January 2026. And the question President says, if you are no, me Juma some aye basa kakra call besa fini. And then me bisa a bit to me affect me ana. I will come be so.
Pacho, we hear no yeah Juma.
Me Pacho say.
O hear no yeah Juma.
Me Pacho me hear yeah Juma.
Na income na ya he.
Me Pacho say. Answer me to kasa ni.
O hear income na ya he.
when the more income, I say lawyer person who saying.
Yeah, okay. The income, yeah. I think 48, or almost 48,000 a year.
And it's a what you man yeah, it's okay because or no more than 29,000. Depending on time our course or 18,000 or 29. 18,600 or 29.
48.
Our wife J 48 and I say or Japan uni issue. Why?
But yo.
Okay then.
Say no, I don't know.
But yeah, and I'm second question. Second question here, my wife professor of Eunice, if they Ghana, but yeah, and to the person who what is the procedure? Because what or apply for acquire no ones, but man.
Well, or wife ni niece no denti na okofa na ba. Ni niece no ne papa ne mama we. Two questions.
Chairman, I for phone madam, na lawyer missing 1 or 2 questions. Why? Because question just on one way, no.
Okay.
And now, why you busy?
Oli, okay. But how about?
Sorry.
Okay, lawyer person beside back on the lawyer mommy, why?
Okay, you.
But was we niece no. Ne mama ne papa why?
But you're more Ghana.
I didn't know
My brother, daughter.
Okay, I didn't know okofa no wa bra na wo 40 ase.
Because we need Aqualabia or how we haven't had any children yet since Bianca, she would be like our child or her.
Absolutely. I'm going to maybe ask our questions for 2 things.
Okay.
Procedure and a potential success. The procedure no se okofa unisa. Nka asembie ne ho. But se unisi no ne maame ne papa te ase a. Question is say ade no muntimi hwe. Enye se muntimi hwe no ana okofa no. Na mmom opese ofa no se wo ba. Enti na wo se wo ye adoption. Or se ofa the procedure na se obe adopt no. Na akola na be ye wo ba.
Okay.
Enti the first thing is your friend home study report. Because UT UK no, I will say UK aban ema wo ho kwan se kofa akola no bra.
Okay.
I will say yehwehwe wachi, yehwe wadwuma, yehwe o health, yehwe o criminal conduct, yehwe wasetenam. Ti ombebe fie abehwe wo fie, ombehwe wadwuma, police checks, ombehwe ni nyina. Omo ye happy e wa ha. Na oma ma obibi friend of eligibility certificate. I don't know, Department of Children and Education at the Bema. Omo de ma we are. So time no, because oye family adoption no, Ghana the end the most easiest process. Oko quarter 3 months crowd undi wo. Na judge no at the amount. Na kola na be dane wo ba. Over British.
Do you help with that one?
Yes, we do. We do.
The one here, no.
The one here we do, yes.
And I both mean
they can do both. They can do both.
Yes, a bit to me.
All right, so I'll call you after the program.
Okay, do call us. Thank you very much for your call. Thank you.
Before I go.
Okay.
But my husband, and he put in his citizenship now because it's 5 years now since he joined me here.
Has he got indefinite?
No, he hasn't got indefinite. Must he do the indefinite first?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Ebi obium. Okay, yeah, that's it. Right, yo, bye-bye. Bye. Uncle Ben.
Yes.
Emwaju kakranti afi patcho topic no out the buyer no. Yeah, how far we could go with it.
Yo, and first of all, no, nkrofo bebre abaha. Omo pese omo ye British citizenship. Bebre no anti process na se. Omo ti process na se nso a. Omo hu se bibi betimi esi omo kwan. Naturalization and a registration are 2 processes ye the British nationality. Naturalization normally, yeah, yeah, wo yen Ghana no, eno ne yefa so. Registration normally yen kola anase mpani pani a yawo no ha. Nti enemy focus aye naturalization. Why no betimi aye naturalization? There were two routes under 1981 Nationality Act. So two routes no, ene de we one, obi a ne yere anani kun aye British. Ono requirement ne say one, or indefinite leave to remain. Two, watena UK at least 3 years. Obetimi apply for British citizenship. Other things were and they are common to both of them and Timeba and later. And I say ukun we yere enye British into one who jina on so. And a requirement na 5 years. Into what na have 5 years lawfully. Or indefinite no buy no 1 year aba. Difference between obi a niku ana na yere British. Any obi a niku ana na yere enye British ana oniku ana yere no. Baako yɛ 3 years no waiting time after indefinite. Baako yɛ 5 years 1 year waiting time after indefinite. 2. So woyɛ under 65 a wobɛyɛ life in UK. Wasan yɛ English. Yɛyɛ video a couple of months ago sɛ wowɔ yareɛ bi o memory yɛ shaky anaasɛ fundamentally no wontumi mpaase English test now. Normally no say doctor etro fill form say ni ntina wontimi nya English ne life in UK na ombe exempt. But for now no yemfa ne say wobetimi aye. So we over 65 no English, no life in UK. Now critically no day na wo your application no physically no was so UK. See I count to 3 years now. And this is where Nkrofo bebree enya aware. Yemfa say waba ha waware British ni. Oba 5 years, yemfa say 6 years ni. Enti but within the time no na utimeko. Enti with 3 years na ye count no. So time no na wote UK there, but na wuni physically wuni UK. Wo your application na. So one day pena na wuni ha no be refuse your application. There will be a friend of residential requirement. In the last 12 months of application, and is what's not outside for more than 90 days. Breaking it down. In the last 12 months, and is what's not outside for more than 90 days. And no ubrichia be bien in the last 3 years, and it's what's now outside for more than 270 days, but a call up to 450 days. So ubetimi achire say o adwuma wa ha, o family wa ha, o business wa ha, o property wa ha, up to 450. One say make say 270, and he said in the last 3 years, so your application under the 3-year route now, o yere ana wukun British now. In the last 3 years, and it's what's not outside more than 270. But in certain instances, your friend exempt route. So what's not outside for more than 450 days, still on bit me ayama, but I was so one mawaha, I was so business waha, or property waha, or established waha. Not just say what team waha. For more and more, under the 5-year route, more kun and I'm a British. In the last 5 years, and you say what's not outside for more than 450 days. It may go up to 900 days. I am very technical. And more tied to 2 coin. When you're very careful. Because first, need to be the brio moniso. Because oba yen stampo, okwa yen stampo. Sometimes oba ne stampo. Sisi a oko na oba electronically no ya stampo passport ba wunhu. Uko no what the date of birth or passport ne obi bia ma airline. Airline no the command UK government. Obedu ye no what the ama airline no. Airline no the command UK government. Inti omuni. Inti cases here ah near the brio money no. Obo baba ka say Mr. Usu. who say wo client no period say no near obetimi explain it the year the men kan kire mo but ye ma no ye successful the advantage a Ghana for one say okọ Ghana ye stamp passport enti say basa wo tu kwan bebre a omo calculation no omo say ya itimi form any so menka say could depend on the fact that ebetimi form any so the American say up to 900 days in the exceptional route no ubetimi aye but law no say 450 but up to 900 up to 270 for 3 years ubetimi aye but law no say up to 450 the when mu nyina no advantage be advantage woman say so we are British citizen now o commit a criminal offense and I will give you a typical example Krachibia or in a case by 15 years ago okoye mortgage na okoye or you sue fake pay slips another year this is 15 years ago omo I'm actually de to prison for 3 years because of that no home office and so say omo gye indefinite freeness so we are British omo ntimi free for that reason. 2 sɛ wokɔ Ghana na wokɔwo ebia wota akɔ Ghana enti wo no wo family no wɔ hɔ wokuta indefinite na wowɔ Ghana wo ba no de no ba a ɛwɔ sɛ wo show sole responsibility te sɛ de yɛ nnua na ɔfrɛ ya na kan ɛwɔ sɛ wotua home office fee no ba but sɛ wokuta British citizenship na wokɔwo wɔ Ghana woyɛ ɔbaa o woyɛ bɛrima o ɔba no yɛ British straight away no registration no payment nothing straight away ebiom nneɛma nketenkete bi wɔ kurom ha woyɛ British citizen a ɛboa awo wo ba yɛ British yes wo indefinite a wo ba yɛ British wo army mu na wo a wo ba yɛ British oni obi wo na nipa no kɔ join army a utimi register ma wo ba no yɛ British enti technically no ɔmo a yɛwo ɔmo wɔ ha no deɛ indefinite ne British no ɛyɛ the same but the issue with the deportation menim sɛ nnura mutie yɛ president a ɔgye Ghanafoɔ a yɛ deport ɔmo free ha Nigeriafoɔ Gambiafoɔ Zambiafoɔ sɛ Rwanda yɛ president no sɛ Ghanafoɔ ɔmo a yɛ deport ɔmo fi America no yɛgye ɔmo muhu nso sɛ America ɔmo wɔ green card no bi mu wɔ hɔ a ɔmo tu kwan ba a na yɛakye ɔmo saa nso na aha yɛnya papa bi a ne suban ɛnyɛ mempɛ sɛ mebɔ ne din party a ɔjoin no yɛfrɛ no Reform Party mea me nua ketewa Idrisu ɛka ɔmo waka kyerɛ sɛ wanyɛ careful odu Ghana mɛma yɛ deport na ba UK because Ghana ni deɛ ɔkɔ join Reform Party yɛnim deɛ ɛɛba yɛnim poll biara yɛayɛ in the last 6 months no yɛsɛ yɛ na yɛyɛ election a reform ɛbɛwini reform sɛ ɔmo mpɛ migrants me nua process to British citizenship no ɛyɛ straightforward but you refuse nso you refuse a usika na 1,600 1,700 plus na kɔ a ɛmma adeɛ ɛbɛbra ɛyɛ £80 sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a yɛn refuse no mesrɛw nuggets yi a yɛde ma wo muntie step by step first thing mesrɛw gather wo paper da bɛn na wo ba ha wofa akwampa so na ba Kwaku Antobam Kofi Bruce Amatawia Ekuatene wa mesrɛw woyɛ wo nationality na wokɔka sɛ wode boat na ba ya why refuse ho dadaada ansa na wode application no kɔ wokɔka sɛ wofa car ana wode ba Dover na wan stampo passport a why refuse ho kɔ na kɔgye legal advice ansa na wafa forms 2 evidence a wo gather ɛyɛ addresses a watena 3 waware agyae a date a waware date a wogyae court bɛn ana nipa bɛn no gyae adwuma woyɛ adwuma fine adwuma nyɛ requirement but woyɛ adwuma fine ɔmbɛhia adwuma no nipa ɔmbɛtumi afrɛ na check sɛ woyɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ how many years na woyɛ role bɛn na wo play wo tax office reference number deɛ ho hia bio ɛwɔ sɛ wonya 2 referees. Saa 2 referees ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo yɛ obi a either sɛ ɔyɛ British citizen anaa ɔyɛ Commonwealth national a ɔyɛ professional. British citizen or Commonwealth national a ɔyɛ professional. Ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ over 25 years. Nipa na ɔyɛ o referee no, wobɛhia ne full name, na address, date omuvu call address no, ɛyɛ less than 5 years a previous address. Wobɛhia ne British passport number, wobɛhia ne email, wobɛhia ne mobile number. Wayɛ wei nyinaa wie no, adeɛ baako a ɛwe Ghanafoɔ ɛyɛ wo papa ɛna wo maame ne din, ne date of birth ɛna baabi a yɛwɔ no.
Uncle Ben, what a big one. See, before I go on, Mr. Call away, we're just swatch it. If you don't mind me, I'm a fan quickly now. I'm go back to it.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Uncle Ben to you.
Oh, Doctor, Uncle Ponchito.
On shower, so.
So, and senior lawyer, Uncle one of the because he answered the one today, the Ghana embassy in so homotion shit could be partly the man.
Uncle Ben, the embassy on your crammy, Rainbow Radio for you, because I mean, me can't master but yeah, can lawyer or bar radio, so Dick can bar radio, so a big Ghana for any farm round. Uncle Ben, he's a pace setter, and we have to acknowledge that.
And your mom can
yeah. Man, uncle.
You remember I call her person to imagine I first one. They were down. Oh, yeah, no, yeah.
Many are lying no in Yantigina, yen as I say, you. Well, lying in your papa. Maybe we don't know. Darby. On common in here, but a connection and shed on your papa. Hello? Oh, sorry about that. Uncle Ben, ready, Mr. May and try and come also.
Okay. Adeɛ baako a America ɛyɛ wawofo full name, village a yɛwɔ no, and the date of birth. Form no woyɛ no online a ɛyɛ quicker. Wobɛtumi anya decision within 3 months. Usually yɛnya decision within 2 months. But up to 3 months, maybe up to 6 months, one fail in a year. But adeɛ baako a mepɛ sɛ mohyɛ no nso ɛyɛ good character. Saa good character no, sɛ wa overstay da ɛbɛyɛ affect you. Me wɔne mo sɛ ofa boat ne ba ya menkɔka sɛ ofa boat ne ba. Sɛ ho drive na odi re mu a mesrɛ wo de banchi ba na ba ha menkɔka saa. Kɔpɛ legal advice. Because our good character no, first na nka yɛ criminal offense, driving offense, endorsement, driving without insurance, speaking on the phone whilst driving, driving not in accordance. Saa nneɛma no deɛ ɛbɛyɛ affect you. But parking ticket affect you. When you have cancel tax near the local magistrate court, ɛbɛyɛ affect you. Sɛ wodede nkurɔfoɔ ka wokɔtoto TV ne nkonnwa ne nneɛma a wontua na yɛde wokɔ county court. Baako ebi a you will get away with it, but ɔmbɛbisa ɛwɔ sɛ wonya proof na wode hyɛ so. Ɛkɔyɛ mmienu, mmiɛnsa, ɛnan a na kyerɛ sɛ wo no woyɛ obi a ahamra no wondi so. Because once I do wakɔ court ebua wofo no na kyerɛ sɛ wonyɛ nipa papa saa na ɔmo ho no ɛbɛyɛ affect you.
But on that one, no say suppose say on say CCJ be after 6 or 7 years now I expire. Does it still count in this regard?
For now, no, for nationality and immigration purpose, BBA a what deadline view. There's no time limit for BBA. I will say we disclose. The only time I won't hear say we disclose, they say we TAW. So we TAW dia not just a 1 decade. But so what that's what decade na won't TAW a be affect you. So what the hospital ka a man na moba if you are na settle go through no matter because money paper no near Bremo bill normally 2,000 3,000 obi o one obu na ni egu so for both immigration and nationality, it may affect you. Any bill above £500, no, it may affect you. It was a way.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello, Dr. Mark.
Yes,
Good day.
opening.
Good day. Uncle Ben, good day, Uncle Ben.
Good day.
Uncle Ben, Pacho, here Uguso Koya na ebe affective. Ohana am do see and I'm person to so free ebe affective. Grandpapa of law. Me Pacho ebe affective no. In that sense of the ebe affect ye ni nyina no. Is there a possibility of overcoming or putting some mitigations down for you to still be able to get your citizenship? And I say because of the affection of it, you will never be able to be a British citizen.
Beautiful question.
So that we don't have even to try, and we can still try and argue on that point.
Very good question. But before Uncle Ben back as an Mia and Kameka say, to avoid being affected by anything affect, and the kind of which Uncle Ben and Sana says, say, I'm person, dear me, when me what is the advice? But Monwanka Sangan Sanyanko. Uncle Ben Pacho.
Kofi Antobam, well, first of all, no, say, Bibi be affected, it was so to animal. And that's why you go for legal advice. Idea may affect a criminal conviction, entering the UK illegally, overstaying, owing the NHS, owing government debt, CCJs, and other traffic offences. But Section 6, the application, discretionary. Bibi a discretionary biya kyerɛ sɛ aban no wotumi sɛ bibi anka ɛwɔ sɛ ɛkyɛw no ɔde bɛkyɛw. Mamema example. First of all, obi a committee offense or committee offense no wako prison. Under the law no, so wako prison for up to 1 year, it take 5 years and sana you spent. It is a spent under the Rehabilitation of Offenders Act, no, ROA. Say offense be a spenter, all those that was our boss no, any so we use against you. Entering the UK illegally. So who enter UK legally, it might be for a good reason. Or exemption, say it will be dear draw and our humanitarian protection. But sa nema way no, me kind of say work could the over because you know you're Jumayache. But the problem is that you'll be an otiasia, and until I'm sick of for legal advice. So when him say one fact one person I would rare promo. When him say one overstay that first overstay now 28 days, this year 14 days. Between 0 and 14, I was who explaining the entire overstay or my reasonable excuse. About 14 days from 2012, from 2022, about 14 days, I just say one overstay pa. And at the America, it's an umbrella and not a shield. The only time I ever buy a shield was Section 3C. The American are very technical. When him say issues, call lawyer be solve them because where
Asampayetia. Uncle Ben Asampayetia said the okay Canadian. In your idea, it will be safe for any of us to handle some of these things when we have him say breaches some of these regulations. So the best thing is let them come and see you and then you will help them out. Now you're fine at that call. Why?
Simple as that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your patience. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning and good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Edma Pato. You know, didn't say that's the far because the young for free education at the American and you have benefited a lot. I didn't and support. Now, we start some money, but the offer from the buy or the kind of buy into me entry, but buy of and when you're indefinite. And the so they all kind. Is there any possibility everything in naturalization and I had in German say I don't know. Or you know cut be on fine to be answered.
Enti ohene yes solution wɔ hɔ. I say that because I am microphobic brain. Manomra na yɛhwɛ no. Why?
Okay.
Easy. Easy. This is easy. Maniko Wankoman, there's always a way when there's the will. So person young quandia abua for Uncle wo enso. Aye. Uncle Ben, send pam beba wrong.
I'm saying now what traffic issue. My name is Wabadia.
Okay, I'm mad to as well.
Okay. So Pamela wa obetimi take over. Only why I
yeah, man, be 3 minutes, then you come back to wrap up and then we'll finish it.
Okay.
Yeah, found too much.
Yes. First of all, I was say Yama will be at nationality no a right, a privilege. For Nkola ya wo a right. For young way ya bano. Section 6 applications in a privilege and your right. So aban no any kunwa to say fired menim se munima papa no obia
Harold papa no
they were no
on ne brother no okay
nationality there 4 times ni nyina na refuse anya say wa prison da anya say wa committee offense bia almost say ni suban bi menim say okay brown envelope bi or dem conservative for chairman bi a ho ba asa
I remember
your man a British passport that. But I'm say Chile Baba no minim the idea. Me sure so my because Chile me who say no British passport say no you anyway that's no come. And into British citizenship no your right a privilege. And to say oh yeah privilege now person we are benefit the brown a bebre. Ma can be so called Ghana or by a British and this no if you committed the most serious crime ever ha crana a very unlikely some meji a fruit sem na akasi free I won definite e betimi de wako but the process na ya dey no I fraught with difficulties and you be an offer kwampaso no by even what na ha kra no wa overstay da na se see wa regularize abenya indefinite it may affect you enti de bia ye kan say so obetu saa na mo na because of budget 1735 no no akwa sky be refund ama wa £80 no ko anabra aha na yenhwe ye betimi aye assessment so person ye assessment ne nko a betimi aye ama ne ahwe se obe qualify but ebi wo ho a enya assessment ne nko because we application a dodo na mo breach law no e wo se ye cover letter e ho na wo explain the entity e wo so mo use mo discretion in your favor. Sɛ woyɛ obi nso a wotatu kwan bebree a ɛno nso yɛ issue but deɛ hia titiriw ne sɛ first of all no wayɛ determined sɛ wobɛyɛ wɔ application no kɔ for legal advice gather wo documents wontumi nyɛ english no a hwɛ sɛ wo doctor bɛtumi afɛlɛ forms english exemption form no ama wa wontumi nyɛ life in uk a ɛno nso yɛ the same form wagather wei nyinaa na lawyer ama wo advice no wobɛtumi ayɛ wɔ application sɛ woapɛ sɛ woyɛ but sɛ wopɛ sɛ lawyer yɛ nso a na wama no ayɛ ama wo mesrɛ mo woyɛ wɔ application no a check wo email because ɔmo wie a yɛbɛyɛ invite wo sɛ bra ceremony saa invitation no ɛtwa mu pɛ although sɛ yɛ approve sɛ yɛde ama wo no woanyɛ careful a approval no ɔmde maa wo no ɔmbɛ withdraw ɔba deɛ because yɛaka sɛ kɔ yɛ ceremony wankɔ until sɛ wobɛyɛ ceremony no although sɛ yɛaka kyerɛw sɛ wo application ayɛ successful no wonyɛ ceremony no a wonyɛ British citizen woyɛ ceremony no wie ne yɛde wo certificate no ma wo woyɛ British wowɔ passport o woni passport o woyɛ British citizen it means sɛ daakye biara akwadaa biara a wawo no wɔ ha anaasɛ Ghana no ɔno nso wo a ɔno nso ba ɛyɛ British advantage yɛde ma wo no Dr. Mark, Major Hammer.
Okay, that's the ceremony, no more or less. According to say your graduation, so we'll call you go through the ceremony and you be awarded the degree that they are showing some because I on my certificate to be on ceremony make I actually be me kobi and my certificate to be name be a wompo Uncle
Sanity.
Ben
Yeah.
say Pam and Madia and the BC and other was say na
You.
patro my mentor which are quite kakra na yet to have a show and sana wako say a be a hopper so the kama obetumi the account because minim say you keep training new lawyers and in your money na ya na any more first of all BWF Solicitors war 7 sisters now address here 214 to 218 High Road war Anna House no uko 4th floor omaje hoi na afa na o driving so obehia postcode way N15 4NP N15 4NP Shannon so say Tesco kesibi enyomo ye opposite ya na me kwa hoda me ko park na me ko ho Uncle Ben na me park ya you free. I'm not saying say I'm not advertising anything. I'm only telling you my experience at BWF. So me drive I don't pay. Park there and go and see Uncle Ben, and you come back and your car is still fine and safe. So we fat tube in so 7 Sisters tube station exit 2 and I'll ube exit. When I'm saying Victoria line, it goes straight to 7 Sisters from Brixton where I'm sitting, and it goes through Victoria, Vauxhall, and Pimlico, and all those places. Finsbury, was it Finsbury? Anyway, Victoria line will take you there straight away. Exit 2 is what you will need. It's a bus, so I'll be here bus 149, bus 76, bus 243, bus 259, 279, 318, and I think bus 476. This is BWF Solicitors address and whereabouts. Afi telephone numbers. Mame fa ɛdɔɔso nti mede baako mmienu pɛ bɛto dwa ama mo na afei deɛ aka no ɛkyerɛ yɛ ama mo. Main telephone line, that's the switchboard no ɛyɛ 0208 493 7340. Pacho Sancho 0208 493 7340. But write this one. This is the emergency number. So emergency number where any day, anytime. Any day, anytime. Bank holidays, even in the night, anytime. Wofra obebefa. Otire ya Uncle Ben nankasa na befa. 077 127 618 84. 077 127 618 84. Emergency line we in here pa anti mention so 077 127 618 84. Ladies and gentlemen, on your behalf and my behalf, and on behalf of Rainbow Radio and the entire Ghanaian community, we want to say very thank you to Uncle Ben, the grandpapa of family and immigration law, for our community. Uncle Ben, that was it. Another person.
Dr. Mark, yes, that's Nyame Shamo, Nyame Aduma, Ibishibio. Bye bye.
Bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner, with over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.